Hello everyone, Munish Yoga here. Today I'm going to show you and give you some tips for the crow pose because I find many people want to do crow pose but they find a lot of difficulties. So I make this video. I'm sure it will help for you. Okay, and if you need something more my help, please comment or send message for me. So watch the video and let's see how you understand the crow pose. The distance between, then take distance, open finger wider, remember this part, heel uplift, feel the core sensation here, find the balance, you already have enough warming up, put the knee where you feel, here is a better one, if you can, if you cannot, make it down, depend upon your strength of it. Put it here, then if you slippery, like for me I feel slippery so much, you can do sweat first. So you find the balance here, then see how. First leg, this leg, first warming up. Look at here, the point. So you not feel lose balance. Don't look down, you should keep it here. That hip, don't drop it. Uplift it, keep uplifting. More hip higher, less tired. Your body weight. Keep up with the body weight, less power use. So here you keep it feeling, try. But if you are very beginner, open feet apart, other option. Outside is easier. Here or here. You have two options.